every month we're measuring the compaction of certain citrus trees here and trying to remediate the soil, and we're adding biological liquid compost into the areas. So first of all, we're going to do a reading of cocktail grapefruit. We're going to look at the moisture level, and it should be right from the bottom right to the top. It should be the entire length of the wand, and you put it in. And if you find a spot, if it's too hard, if it's really compacted, you find an area around the drip line that's not as compacted, so you can put it in the full length of it. Then we're also measuring the temperature of the soil, and we'll get the readings. So the moisture level is 13.6 for the cocktail grapefruit and 9 degrees centigrade for its temperature, for the soil temperature. Then next we are going to take the penetrometer. This is a penetrometer, and it's going to also be used along the drip line. Take these out, and we're going to try, Oliver's going to try and get it into the soil around here, and we're going to see where the level of compaction is the greatest. It's in 3-inch increments, so 3, 6, 9, 12, and then we'll see where the compaction is occurring in the depth of the soil.
Green?
So green is good, yeah.
Yellow. Oh,
Yellow.
red.
Red, you're already at red, so let's see where we got to. So green, yellow, and then red halfway. Yeah. Next, we take samples, 3 areas around the drip line. Oh, Oliver, would you mind getting that plastic bag that I have here? So if we take it from the bottom, that would be the 3-inch mark. Thanks. Next, Oliver's going to find 6 locations around the tree, around the drip line, and then we're going to add, and this is all to help with compaction, and then we're going to add a vermicompost liquid fertilizer that was made on the farm, that Jane made through all of her composting efforts, and we're going to add it into the holes that Oliver has made. And this should loosen up the compaction over time. We use an entire bucket.
So we chose this tree because it's actually suffering, though it is setting a huge amount of flowers. It's been showing real issues in its leaf with chlorosis and a little bit of tip burn. So we have a soil issue here that we're monitoring.